Today we are going to unbox the FIZIK Tempo POWERSTRAP R5. Background about FIZIK. FIZIK is an Italian brand founded in 1996. They are very known for their saddles, for cycling shoes, and bar tapes. For myself, I also want to try their saddles if given the budget. So, the difference between a cycling shoes and a normal rubber shoes is cycling shoes are very stiff. So when we say stiff, hindi mo siya nabebend. It's not flexible. It's meant to be that way. If the shoes are stiff, then you are giving maximum power when you are cycling. So basically that's the science of it, but there is more explanation to that. But since I'm just a beginner, that's the extent of my knowledge. I'm so excited. Although this is not their latest drop, or is this a video worth watching? So let's unbox! Oh my god. This is it. The box says FIZIK. So, I'm gonna open it. Oh my god, should you guys see? Okay, I opened it. So, which color do you think I got? It's actually matching my outfit today. Of course, I went for the basic, the safest, black and white. The most basic color, it's black and white. Although they have other options. They have black, blue, orange, coral, navy, white and black, and pink. But I chose the black and white since it's very easy to pair with your jerseys. Although I was also thinking of getting the blue one because it's really nice. Tapos may nakita pa akong helmet na POC na blue red, which is on sale. So I was thinking, oh my god, maybe this will look good. But then I think again, I should not make decisions like this, especially if it's my first cycling shoes and I know that it will take me a long time to buy a new one. So I bought this. Yay! So nice! Of course, meron siyang papel sa loob. And may cardboard pa. Oh my god, that's cute! I don't know about you guys, but the Velcro straps just makes the design cooler. So okay, let's close this, and this is what it looks like up close. The Tempo POWERSTRAP R5 is known for its Velcro closures design. So this is not your typical Velcro shoes because the traditional Velcro shoes only tightens two sides of the shoes. But this one, they call it a configuration of a ribbon wrapping the shoes. So as you can see closely, the Velcro starts from this part. It has two closures. Of course, it tightens your toes and also on the upper part of your foot, which is a really nice concept, especially for Velcros, because basically if you're using a boa, that's what the boa is designed for, something that can tighten the whole shoe. So this kind of Velcro somehow works like a boa. R5 POWERSTRAP is also known for its carbon reinforced nylon. It's outsole, so this is what it looks like. And this is where you're going to attach your cleat attachments. Actually, I'm gonna be using this later on. I'm gonna first practice on the trainer. Of course, I don't wanna semplang. The cleat attachments that I'm gonna be using here are the Look Keo grip, and the pedals that I will also be using, of course, is a Look Keo Classic 3. So basically this video is just an unboxing. I don't think I have the right to review it because it's my first cycling shoes. I cannot compare it to other cycling shoes because this is the first one that I have. But as a beginner, I am happy with the looks of it, with the price, the quality. Performance wise, I'm still not sure. If you want to purchase these shoes, I have a link in the description box down below. And if you have any questions regarding this video, don't hesitate to comment it in the comment sections down below. Stay safe and keep on cycling. Bye!